how to use Bumble app for networking, also known as Bumble Bizz. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to use the Bumble app for networking, you need to switch the mode to the Bumble Bizz. In order to do that, you need to head over to your profile settings. Tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. After you are in your profile page, at the top right, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. In the settings page at the top, you can see the type of connection option. Tap on this. Over here, you'll see different options. Right now, I can only see the date and BFF option. Bizz mode is not available in my region, but if it is available for you, you will see the Bizz option like this. You'll have 3 different options, whether you can date, your BFF, or the Bizz option. So in order to use the Bumble for networking, you can select the Bizz option and tap on continue. After you switch to the Bizz mode, you can head over to your profile and create a unique profile highlighting your work experience, and then head over to the people section and then swipe through other professionals. The matching process is similar. When 2 people swipe right on each other, you'll have a match. So that's how you can easily use Bumble app for networking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.